Hey man, say man, y'all ready to go to TGI Fridays?
No, you guys need to put on a seatbelt. Seatbelts are important.
Boy, why you ain't been say that? Exactly.
They recommend you wear your seatbelt because you're responsible for everybody in here. Okay? Stand by a minute.
As of last year, there's been 819 fatalities in the state of Virginia. Out of the 819, 298 of the victims were not wearing a seatbelt. In 2018, 51 teenagers between the ages of 15 and 19 died on the roads of the Commonwealth. Please wear your seatbelt.
Hi, my name is Kaya and I wear my seatbelt.
Hi, my name is Amir and I wear my seatbelt.
Hey, I'm Ariana and I wear my seatbelt.
As y'all came in the building and I wear my seatbelt.